All right, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 2. Your topic is describe something that you did with someone or a group of people. This is your cue card. Now you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please, you can start.
Me and my friends last Sunday made a plan to go hilly areas like Abbottabad. It is a very charming place. Its scenery is very good. My friends, we hired a jeep. And some luggage, and went to the 2 day stay in a hilly areas in a hotel. In a hotel where I enjoyed lot, and it is very good experience for me and my friends. Me and my friends, in a first day daytime, we had our lunch, and then I prepare us for a hiking in some hilly place.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Now listen, what you have to do, the topic is describe an activity that you did with a group of people. So you need to mention people. It can
Yes.
be family, friends, whoever. So you need to mention people also in your answer. Secondly, you are mixing present and past tenses. Your cue card was all past tense, but you are making some present sentences as well, okay? So try to overcome these things. Otherwise, it's fine. Thank you.